Here in Nigeria's Zamfara state, these children are sick from lead poisoning. But it's difficult for their parents to get the help they need. Tensions between farmers and herders over access to land have led to armed gangs often attacking people in this region, making it risky to try and reach hospitals.
If his condition deteriorates, I'll have to take him to the doctors on a motorcycle. They no longer come this way because of insecurity. And that's the same with all children affected.
For years, Muhammad watched his son's health deteriorate until he was unable to walk or eat. Today, Najib can only be fed through a tube grafted into his stomach. There's heavy concentrations of lead in the earth here. And aid organizations say many children began inhaling lead dust when a rapid rise in gold mining started around a decade ago. Some are contaminated when they work in the mines. Others, when their relatives return covered in dust, or when ore is crushed at home. Health workers say the levels of lead found in children's bloodstreams can often be fatal.
The range was staggering, between 100 and 400 micrograms of lead per deciliter of blood. Above 100, really, it is said that most victims die, right? But there is no safe blood lead level. Even 5 micrograms of lead per deciliter of blood, or even below, there are some serious consequences in terms of neurocognitive deficits.
But with attacks now happening almost every day, some parents here say all they do is to wait and hope. And they aren't the only ones.
We have been advised by security and the authorities not to go because of the risk of exposure to our team. And this is affecting the treatment that we give to the children. And we are very worried that this will deteriorate the situation further and we may see more problems with lead in the community.
Nigeria's strict mining rules have forced many occasional miners underground. They now bring the rocks home to process, exposing many children to contamination. A decontamination project carried out in several villages 4 years ago is now at risk.
For many here, mining for gold is their only way to survive. But by making a living this way, they're putting their lives at serious risk. Ahmed Idris, Aljazeera, Abare, Northwest Nigeria.